Agnu. Look, can I say something?
I haven't been able to stop you ever since.
Oh,
Go ahead.
testing 1, 2. It's viewers. These viewers. If only you knew, it's a video going around about me.
Yeah, I know. I heard.
But God is still on the throne. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you,
All right.
Your Honor?
I'm doing well.
Okay. Great to hear.
All right. What are we doing?
I have a balance including court costs of $1,204.
All right. Ms. Agnew, how are we going to get this paid?
I already paid it. Remember I requested escrow?
Oh, you know what? You did. I did not look at my paperwork. And
I want to make sure the viewers know that I paid it.
you have 2 receipts?
She had 3.
What do you have as a total?
Oh, well, 804 is from today.
Oh, she paid today. So
Yeah, and then there was 500.
is it Kizer? Kaiser. I was going to say that, but I wanted to see a Z and I didn't.
Good afternoon, Judge Andrew Campbell on behalf of the defendant. Judge, I believe we're almost resolved in this case. We just need a little bit more time. So I believe perhaps the Tuesday, July 15th date.
Let's do it, Your Honor. It's gonna be a good day.
No, it really isn't. But you resolved it?
Almost.
I think so. Ms. Kaiser is now has a credit on her account. So
So why aren't we resolved today?
Because
dismissal, but I think there are just some issues that
of the systemic problems that keep burdening your docket, burdening our time.
Other than you?
Me?
Judge, anyway, if her account's at 0, what else needs to be done?
Because, Judge, as I've told you before previously, there's a pattern or practice of problems. When you sign a COD, what happens is this entity doesn't change their ledger. And this is in 3 cases so far. They don't change their ledger and they keep billing late fees. And then they create all this title
Are
waiver
there late
problems.
fees that are on this one?
Not because, well, when I stepped in, they took them off.
So they're off.
Now they're off.
So what are we doing now? Because you're not going to waste my time, counsel. What are we doing on this case now?
We have a counter complaint under.
Don't interrupt me.
I'm sorry.
Do
Judge.
not interrupt me. Her account's at 0. What else needs to be done?
May I speak?
Don't play with me.
Judge,
Not play with me.
Your Honor, you
Not play with me, counsel.
Your Honor,
That's my 3rd ward.
I understand.
What else needs to be done?
It's under the. I'll let my client speak, Judge. If you want to explain to him.
Hello, good morning. I never owed this money. I had proof I didn't owe this money. I told them I had proof. I went back and forth with them. They decided my proof wasn't proof, and then they tried to evict me. So I'm just trying to get it to where they can't do this to me again. So they are going to negotiate a way in order that they can't evict me again, even though I paid my rent.
And you dispute that, of course, Ms. Jill. Ms. Andrew.
Your Honor,
Or don't know.
I don't know. I don't know what
No, that's fair. July 15th, 2025, 9 a.m. I just needed a simple explanation, counsel. Strong Future Homes versus Chanel McFarland.
Julian Egan for plaintiff.
Your Honor, Andrew Campbell on behalf of the defendant. She's present and is happy to explain anything you want, Your Honor.
Where are we on the case?
Your Honor, so we're trying to figure out if we can resolve this one. I guess to give the court a full picture, there was a COD entered in June of 2023, stating that the balance was, after a waiver of funds from my client, was $3,600. After that, I think we're trying to figure out what exactly happened in what order, but I think that there might have been a recertification that, and some of the amounts prior to that date were adjusted. The current balance that I have is $6,831, but I understand that Ms. McFarland is concerned that, that she is asking that, the recertifications be checked because she doesn't believe that she should owe that amount of money. So she's contesting her rent recertifications that, she's saying she should have been paying less, or should have been charged less. I'm hoping we can get this.
But
out. But
Ma'am, is that correct? Kinda. Okay. So I guess I'm trying to figure this out. When was the last time she paid rent?
I think that there was a payment earlier this year.
Okay, so and there's a reason why I'm asking. I'm trying to figure out if she's doing recertifications, how she gets to $6,000, almost $7,000.
Okay. When we were in court in November of 2024,
I
they
see.
said I owed $5,000 and something dollars.
Right.
My son passed away on the same day I was in court. So thank you. They dismissed the case, but they never said anything about that. So they told me to not pay any rent until they figured out how much my rent was going to be because of my son. So I turned in death certificate, got it, gave them all the paperwork. They hadn't sent me anything. Then as of April, they sent me a letter stating it would be $936 a month. That's almost the same as when my son passed away. He was on my lease and he was a full-time employee. Me, I only get Social Security and I work part-time. So my rent was supposed to go down. I was told my rent won't go down until I recertify. And I thought I recertified because my income changed. So why would I have to pay $900 if I don't have that to pay? I gave them $3,500. The first check was December 4th. That was for 1,000, and I gave
2024.
2024.
Okay.
And then in February 21st, I gave another money order for $2,500.
Got it. So you have Social Security,
Yes.
and how much is that a month for you, man?
13.
$1,300 a month.
Mhm.
Okay, so I don't have to go through great calculations regarding research. And that's the only income in the house.
Yes.
Her rent can't be 900.
No, I have it at 757 right now, 758. Your Honor, I think that there has been an issue with timely recertifications. I don't know enough to be able to assign, responsibility.
Where she may have bumped up and then came back. Okay.
Yeah, so I can't really speak to that. All I know is.
And I haven't got anything stating that my rent is $756. The only paper I got was in April of
Was the
this
9
year of the 9 something. So I did not know. That's the first time I've heard that.
today?
Yes.
Okay, all right. And we just have to figure it out, but I guess that's part of my that's again why I'm saying, because she would have, even at the 700 rate, not paid rent for about 10 months.
Yeah, Your Honor, when we did the conditional order dismissal back in 2023, there wasn't, it wasn't paid, the balance wasn't paid in full from that.
Yes.
I mean, it might have been, but it wasn't paid in accordance with that plan. And so I think that some of the balance might be from that period of time.
Got it, okay.
Probably.
And that was paid in full. You made me pay, I was ordered to pay $125 a month with my rent. And I paid that, that's how it ended up getting dismissed.
You mean under the COD?
Yes.
Right, but if if you paid that extra amount, but then didn't,
That was in 2023.
agree, yeah,
Yes.
but right, but if you paid that amount and the rent isn't correct,
Got it.
it's not, yeah, okay, I hear you. Final settlement conference, July 15th, 2025, 9 AM.
Thank you.
Okay, all
Fair
right,
enough?
yes,
All
thank
right.
you.
You're welcome. You have a great weekend. Sparrowwood Apartments versus Regina Agnew.
Julian Engen for plaintiff.
Yep, here she comes.
And God is still good.
Yes, ma'am. How are you? What's your name?
Regina Agnu. Look, can I say something?
I haven't been able to stop you ever since.
Oh.
Go ahead.
Testing 1, 2. You know, it's viewers, these viewers. If only you knew, it's a video going around about me. Mhm.
Yeah, I know. I heard.
But God is still on the throne. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you,
All right.
Your Honor?
I'm doing well. Thank
Okay.
you for asking.
Great to hear.
All right. What are we doing?
I have a balance including court costs of $1,204.
All right. Ms. Agnew, how are we going to get this paid?
I already paid it. Remember I requested escrow?
Oh, you know what? You did. I did not look at my paperwork. And
I want to make sure the viewers know that I paid it.
you have 2 receipts?
She had 3.
What do you have as a total?
Oh, well, 804 is from today.
Oh, she paid today, so,
Yeah, and then there was 520. So 1304 is in escrow.
mine, I have a total of 785.
Because as I was sitting there, I realized, wait, I still owe them $19 more. That's what I'm.
Oh, this is a
Mhm.
receipt for a payment of, okay, gotcha. So you have how much in?
1304.
And the balance is 1304. So,
And they still haven't completed my door, but they want that money.
okay. So they didn't come to your door?
The sliding door, someone came out a week and a half ago
Okay,
and they replaced it, but above the ledge, I have pictures as well. There's still an opening. So
all right. So let's do
there's
this.
still stuff getting in, and they did come back yesterday to finish that trim.
Mhm.
Started pouring down raining.
Got it. Okay.
But I don't understand because when I moved in, I mean, this really should not be a problem. It's just who and what units
No,
they
no, what I'm saying is-
prioritize.
A lot of people think I don't remember when they talked to me before.
Oh, no, I know. I didn't say this part that I was about to say, but I won't say.
Oh, no, go ahead. Tell me, then if you're going to tell me something new, go ahead.
It just behooves me how I moved in on March 25th and all of this was not done. And the neighbor that had already been living there, may God bless and rest his soul, he passed away. And they have completed that unit. It looks immaculate. He passed away after I moved in. And here it is. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. And it's just so unfair. And I spoke with someone named Jessica. Do you know Jessica?
Probably.
Okay, because had called to speak with Robert, left a message, and someone called me back named Jessica. And she said, "You haven't paid June rent yet?" I said, it's an escrow. I paid part and I will pay the remainder tomorrow. I have a court date. I said, is this why things are not, getting done? She said, oh, no, I just asked. I wanted to know. And so I explained to her things that I have been sending in the resident portal of what needs to be taken care of, and it has not been taken care of. And it's so unfair where there was a man that passed away after I moved in, and that unit is immaculate, and they already have a lease that's signed, and someone is about to move in. That
Gotcha.
my voice is breaking, and I'm going to stop.
Can you check into that?
I can, yes, I can. I can make sure that all the work orders are getting.
Okay. And the court has her rent through June. So I'm going to adjourn this out to the July 11th date.
Yes.
And I'd like to see all of her repairs done so we.
Even with my front door.
Okay. Ms. Agnew, would you call our office and leave your email address? I'll email you back. And I'll email you and you can provide me a list of repairs so that we can just make sure that I am up to date on what needs to be done.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
I appreciate it so much.
All right.
Your number is. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're
You
welcome.
have a blessed one. And always know God is good. Miracles happen every day.
Yeah, absolutely. They do. Like Alan showed up for work. Miracle. No. No. I didn't even say that out loud. I know. It's just been on you all day. Strong Future Homes versus Lolita O'Day.
Jillian Agan for plaintiff.
Hi, good morning, Your Honor. Andrew Campbell on behalf